Hey guys, short video on MicroStrategy today. I've got the log scale chart open. These are weekly bars. This is what I want to focus on today. Now, I've been studying previous breakouts. You may have heard me talk about these decline lines, which have defined the three major breakouts in MicroStrategy that have happened since 2020. Now, we are currently rubbing against the fourth decline line. And my guess, and I'm guessing your guess too if you're watching this video, is that we're going to break through sometime soon and start the fourth major breakout in MicroStrategy since 2020. And you never know how high they're going to go, but my guess is that we're going at least, and this is very muted, to $750 a share because that's the midpoint of this channel. But if we were to break through, maybe do something like this, consolidate, hit the midpoint of the channel, consolidate, go here, and maybe the midpoint of this channel, consolidate, we could go as high as $2,500 a share. And that's taking us out to June 2026. Now, I just drew squiggly lines on a chart. By no means does it mean it's going to take that long, but I don't think we necessarily go higher than the top of this channel, although it is certainly possible. Just within reason, that's probably going to be a very strong resistance. Now, the reason I'm here and I wanted to do this video, guys, is if we go back in time and look at the first breakout, which took place in August of 2020 in MicroStrategy, the price went from $12 up to $130. The price ran almost 1,000%. But what I was noticing earlier is if I pick the ruler tool here in TradingView, and I measure from the first time we hit that overhead resistance to the time that we broke through. Sorry, I know that was probably hard to see. It was 28 bars, which means 28 weeks. Okay, the reason I'm going to share that, okay, this next one, by the way, was from February 2021, and we didn't break out until October 2023. That was a major consolidation. I'm not going to measure that one. The next one, though, the next breakout, get this. So if I measure from top to breakout, it was 26 bars. So we had basically, it's right around 30 bars, okay? And the reason I'm sharing that is because look where we are now. From top to where we are now, it's 29 bars, 29 weeks, okay? So 27, 28, 29 weeks has defined the time required for a breakout for two of the three major breakouts that we've seen in MicroStrategy's price. Now, I dropped a video the other day where I cloned, previous MicroStrategy bars just trying to predict like when we might break out. And sorry, I was trying to do a little preview here, but it's bugging out on TradingView. I basically came to the conclusion, hey, this might even take us out to like August. And now I'm saying that based on what I'm seeing in previous breakouts, right around 30 weeks seems to be the sweet spot. Now, what might it look like? I'm thinking if we do break out soon, guys, I think that this weekly bar will take us up close to the overhead resistance, which would be at about $407 right now, but not break it. Then maybe Bitcoin's price runs over the weekend and we gap up next week above this resistance, okay? And price opens up, I don't know, anywhere around like $410, but we jump the resistance. Now, it doesn't have to work that way. I'm just thinking out loud. I'm just guessing. And this would still keep the inverse head and shoulders, which I'm going to switch from weekly bars to daily bars. It would still keep this thesis intact, the left shoulder inverse, the head, and then the right shoulder. Now, the right shoulder is just going to be smaller and more muted, but it doesn't matter. I mean, that's an extremely bullish structure in a bullish context, and that's just going to be rocket fuel. You know what I mean? I cannot wait to see what the breakout looks like. I'm going to be overjoyed when it gets here. And if you're seeing what I'm seeing, which is an opportunity to make an insane amount of money when this breaks out, I want to invite you to join my MSTR generational wealth community that I just started today. Okay, brand spanking new for MSTR investors and Bitcoin investors, where we can get together, share ideas, share content, run ideas off each other. I'm going to be doing live calls where we can do Q&As and do price projections. I'm going to do trade alerts and share the actual trades that I'm entering when I enter them. But I already have a multi-seven-figure long position on Bitcoin and MicroStrategy. That's why I was telling you guys in previous videos, I'm doing this research either way, with or without a YouTube channel. But if you want to work directly with me and interface with me, this is the way to do it. The price is going to double this weekend after I host the first live call on Saturday. So check that out, guys. You can use the link that was right there. I had a QR code that was in the bottom of the corner, and of course I turned it off. Yeah, I have a QR code right here in case you want to scan that, or just go to school.com/MSTR. But I'm not going to stop doing YouTube videos. I'll see you tomorrow with another YouTube video as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.